Joe here. I hope you're well. How do you register your business here in Ghana? It's pretty much straightforward. In the UK, in the US, you can get your business registered like in hours, actually minutes. And it's so, you can do it in, the same time it takes for a microwave popcorn to be ready, right? So, but in Ghana, it's not as straightforward, but then it's not too complex too. So if you want to get it done, you need to decide, are you willing to wait? How long are you willing to wait for your company to be registered? So if you go to the website, if you go to Registrar General Department, you can get it done. I recommend going to the office and getting it done, right? Because if you go to the website, you're gonna have to wait lead times and all this. You don't know if someone has picked it up. It's like you just submitted your application into thin air. You don't know what's happening. So go there. But let me tell you about my experience with registering my company when I did it back in 2019. So I have a friend who introduced me to someone that works there. So I went to meet this person and she requested the business name, the category of the business, the type of business obviously I wanted. I was registering a limited liability corporation or limited liability company. And so I needed obviously the name, the category, and also obviously the name of the directors. You need your address, Ghana card or TIN number. If you don't have a TIN number, Ghana card is cool. If you don't have a Ghana card, I'm sure if you go online and just type in how to get a Ghana card, you can get it done. I got my one done in my hometown because waiting in Accra was long at that time when the Ghana card came around. So also, how long are you prepared to wait for your business to be registered? And also, have you decided if you're going to be registering a limited liability or a sole proprietor or a partnership? So what is the difference between the two? So the difference between a sole proprietor and a partnership: with a sole proprietor, you and the company are not separate. You are the same. You are not separate from one another or each other. But when it comes to limited liability company, the directors are separate from the company. So in the event that shit hits the fan and someone decided to sue you as a sole proprietor, the person is suing you. So if your name is Michael Jackson, the person is suing Michael Jackson. But when it comes to limited liability corporation or limited liability company, the person is suing the company, not the directors. So that's pretty much what it is. So I would recommend going there and getting it done. They have different lead times. Some people can wait 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, depending on how much you are willing to pay. Anything is possible in Ghana. You can get it done premium within 3 to 7 working days, depending how much, if you are willing to pay for it. For example, I just called the person that did mine for me, like just before I started making this video, how much does it cost now to get it registered. So she explained that if you want to get a limited liability company registered, it's going to cost 1,700 Ghana cedis. And if you want it a premium, if you want it in 3 days to 7 working days or 3 to 5 working days, you have to add an extra 1,000. So that's 2,700. And if you are registering a sole proprietor, that costs 500 Ghana cedis. So 550 Ghana cedis. But if you want a premium service, express service, then you need to pay extra 500, making it 1,000 Ghana cedis. So that's pretty much it. So I would recommend just walking in there, go to at Ministries at Accra. Go there, go directly to the desk. Don't speak to anybody outside because you don't know if the person is an external agent or the person actually works there. So go to the front desk, let them know that you want to register a company, and they will tell you about the different lead times and how much it costs, different packages that they have, depending on how long you're willing to wait and how fast you're willing to get your company registered. So, but if you want, I'm happy to share my contact I have over there. So just, DM me, WhatsApp me, and I'm happy to share the info. Obviously the price I quoted is for the time I'm making the video. I don't know how long as the time that you're watching this video. So just be mindful of that. If you don't know my story, my name is Joe, Ghanaian born, lived in the UK. Well, my mother took me to the UK at the age of 10, so now I'm back on the motherland with the intention to settle, retire here. So my goal is to build businesses to fund my lifestyle. So I started this channel to share my experiences, both good and bad, so that you can learn from my mistakes without getting the scars, right? So please comment and especially subscribe, hit the bell notification so that when I make another video, you'll be the first to get it. And also, if you happen to be coming to Ghana anytime soon, we have awesome Airbnb short stay apartments. We have one by the beach around Kukrobite. So imagine waking up and the first thing you see is the fantastic Atlantic Ocean. It's gorgeous. You need to see it. You need to experience that. So yeah, book it. WhatsApp me and I'll do that for you. We also have a second apartment location, which is Mateiko Kaneshi. That one's quite central, 20 minutes from the Accra airport, 5 to 10 minutes to Circle, Osu, Cantonment, Laboni. So it's very, very central, easy to get to anywhere here in Ghana. So yeah, hit me up on WhatsApp. So that's +233 594 69 22224 +233 594 69 22224. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.
It's very comfortable.
Yes.
It's a kind of a modern building also,
Right.
and in the apartment is very comfortable. I mean, we had a air condition and we have a fan, and it's a nice kitchen.
Good time.
Yeah. We slept very well actually. Yeah.
Okay.
So we will recommend it. Yeah, Agyeman apartment, Airbnb. Not really far from the airport, and exactly, this is also not far from Kaneshi, which there's a big market here.
Yeah.
So when we were coming with the taxi, we drove through this market where people were still active.
Exactly.
Yeah, kind of.
And also, if you wanted to go to like Osu, Laboni.
Okay, not far. Okay.
It's not far at all.
Yeah, is Ebri also from here far?
No, from here, Ebri. I don't know how long it would be, like specifically, but it's not far.
Oh, okay.
It's not far.
Not far
I think
from Accra,
it's not far from here.
Okay.
It's not far from here at all.
We have to go there too.
Yeah, it's definitely under 1 hour.
Yeah,
It's that like maybe 40, maybe it can even be maybe around 40 minutes, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, I would say.
Yeah. So guys, you're always welcome here. You feel comfortable. If you wanna spend some time in Accra and not really far from the airport, from the city center also.
Okay, great. And what about you, Lucas? Okay, everything okay for you?
Everything okay, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, nice one.
Yeah. So you're always welcome.
Okay, so thank you so much. Thanks for watching.